How to fix screen brightness problem in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix screen brightness problem in Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Windows you know, driver, device manager. So search for device manager and open that up. After you open up your device manager, here you'll find display adapters. So the first fix is you'll need to update your driver. For that, tap on your driver here, head over to the driver section, and then tap on update. Here you can browse for the driver on your computer, pick from the list of drivers available on your device, and select something else, and then tap on next. After you've done that, your driver will be updated, and you will need to restart your device once as well. So just do that, and after you've done that, you're basically good to go. So if that does not work, come back here to this very section, tap on disable device. After you've disabled the device, it will automatically be enabled again, or come back here and enable it again. So after you've done that, your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.